Welcome to a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 1355 square foot detached home in a gated and guarded complex of Harbor Village. Come have a look with me. Hi, I'm Becky Park, the principal broker at Peninsula Realty in Southern California. Today we will tour 1067 Bayview Lane in Harbor City. This property is located in a gated and guarded complex of Harbor Village. It was built on a 99-year land lease from LA City Housing Authority with approximately 70 years remaining. There is no lease fee. A completely detached home with no one above or below, no one attached on either side. This home sits on an excellent inner location away from any street traffic. There is an attached 2-car garage with direct access and a laundry hookup. Walk into a beautifully laid out living room with wood floors, and a cozy fireplace. The kitchen has lots of cabinet spaces and stainless steel sink and appliances. There is a convenient downstairs powder room for guests. Stairs will lead to a spacious master suite with dual sink master bathroom and a walk-in closet. There are Jack and Jill style bedrooms with another bathroom upstairs. Enjoy a small but fully fenced backyard with fruit trees, adequate for gardening, a barbecue, and a small gathering. The unit is equipped with an air conditioner as well. The complex offers a 24-hour security guard with gates, community swimming pools and spas, fitness center, barbecue area, tot lots, beautiful greens, abundant guest parking, and a very low HOA dues. This property is within minutes from freeways, beaches, Kaiser Permanente Medical Center, and much more. If you are interested in viewing this property in person, or if I can add value to any of your real estate dealings, reach out to me by leaving a comment below or by texting or emailing me directly. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.